Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Valorant Vanguard anti-cheat error on Windows. In this video I will show a couple of solutions, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your this little arrow on the bottom right corner, make sure to exit the Vanguard app here. Right, and once you do that, then the next thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your task manager and make sure that you end the tasks related to Riot Client, Valorant, and Vanguard, right? And if there is no tasks here, then on search just write services here. And once you are in the services, then tap on one of the tasks and then press V. And VGC should be the first option here. Right click on it, go to properties, and make sure that startup type is on automatic, and also make sure that service status is not on stop but on start here. And it will take a few seconds to get it running, and after that just press OK. Right, and the next thing what you need to do here, you need to go to your local disk where you basically saved your Valorant game. For me is on local disk C, program files x86, then Riot Games, probably it will be something similar to you as well. And go to Valorant Live, and on this application right click on it, go to properties, and make sure on compatibility, make sure that this option is on, disable full screen optimizations, right? And once you do that, and if the problem persists, then you need to make sure that your firewall or the antivirus system is not blocking Valorant. So you need to go to firewall and network protection here, and then you need to press allow an app through firewall. Press change settings here, and then go to allow another app, press browse, and same with this one. You need to go to your disk, your program files, Riot Games, Valorant Live, and open this application here and press add. Right, now I'm running the app, as you can see here. So what you need to do here is to end all the tasks related to Valorant and then try again. And this prevent you, basically this prevent you from firewall from blocking your game if there is an option for that. And then the last thing, if nothing is working here, I highly suggest you to uninstall Vanguard. And to do that, you need to just go to apps and features here, and here just search for Riot Vanguard and then uninstall it. And after you uninstall, you need to install it again, and to do so you just need to go to Riot Client and it will install it automatically. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.